So I was doing some work with my second grade students the other day, and I had a need to give them a website that I wanted them to go to because we were learning all about sharks. And for second grade, it's very difficult to be able to have them type in something into Google and have them make it all, especially if it's any length. So I wanted them to go to National Geographic Great White Sharks, but that's very difficult for second graders to access. So I learned about this website called Yellkey.com, and what you do is you copy and paste your URL. So this was the really long URL I wanted them to go to, National Geographic Great White Sharks. What you do is you click on a length of time that you want this key to exist for. So I'll just say for 5 minutes. You click Generate Yellkey, and what happens is it gives you a very short word that's easy for students to be able to access. So now all students have to do is go to yellkey.com/father, and now they'll be able to access what I wanted. So to show you that, I'll type this in, yellkey.com/father, and it takes me to National Geographic Kids great white sharks, and the students can access the page that I want them to easily without having to type in a really long URL. This could also work if I'm trying to push out a Google form or a Google Sheet or a Google Doc. So really kind of a nice way to push out something to students that you need them to be able to access for a short period of time and then be done with it.